Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Cryptoguru app. So first step is to launch the Cryptoguru app on your device. You will notice a balance display on the main screen, and it's easy to think that this is a real money, but that's where we need to clarify something. The balance you see under the funds, it's completely virtual. Cryptoguru is designed as a trading simulator, meaning all the funds you see in the app are part of a simulation meant to mimic real trading but with no financial risk involved. Since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It's all part of the learning experience, helping you practice crypto trading without risking any of your money. This feature makes CryptoGuru a safe platform to build your skills, especially if you are new to the world of crypto. Now, here is the key point. If anyone tells you that you can withdraw real money from that app, it's likely a scam. CryptoGuru is strictly for practice. Its virtual funds can't be exchanged for real cash, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.